Hello everyone. Welcome to Gyanshala. Raju is working with one of the insurance company as a POSP. However, he is not happy with the services of the company as he is not receiving payout on time and no clarity is given to him about the monthly invoices as well. In the evening, Raju was waiting for a cab when Piku saw him and offered him a lift. On their way back, Raju shared his concerns with Piku. Piku suggested Raju to join PB Partners as a POSP and also told him about an exclusive feature of ODP. Now, Piku is taking Raju to meet Uncle Gyani, so to make him aware about the various benefits of joining PB Partners in detail.
Hello Piku, how are you? Happy to see you working hard and making your insurance career with PB Partners.
Thank you so much Uncle Gyani for advising me such an amazing platform of PB Partners. Today I wanted to introduce you to my friend Raju, who also wants to excel with PB Partners.
Hi Raju, how are you?
I am fine Uncle Gyani. I am associated with an insurance company as a POSP. However, I am not happy with their services as I am not receiving payouts on time.
Oh, that is not good. We at PB Partners make sure of the timely payout along with the feature of on-demand payout.
Uncle Gyani, can you explain me in detail about this ODP feature?
Sure. ODP feature is available for all motor partners. You can raise the ticket of all verified cases to receive the payout within 3 to 5 minutes. Along with this, you will get clarity on your total earnings. You can view the earnings of verified as well as not verified cases. You also get an access to view the redeem amount and raise the request for redemption as well. Moreover, clarity is also given about the disbursed amount, that is, how much amount is transferred into your bank account. Ticket-wise payment history status is also shown on the platform. Not only this, you can even view or download the monthly statement through the PB Partners platform.
I believe I have got solution to all my problems now. I just want to join PB Partners as a certified partner. Please help me connect with a relationship manager. Thanks a lot Uncle Gyani.
Welcome Raju, and all the very best.
For more exciting content, stay tuned at Gyanshala via emails, WhatsApp and PB Partners portal every Wednesday at 3 p.m. PB Partners, एक रिश्ता भरोसे का.